ka re bile gore ngwadile masomabedi tlang masoma mararo mepe erna tlebe ntse ya go bokhutlong so ka ya gore re gata ya gone ano gompieno gore ngwadile tlamele gore re kemeletse ka moto
re batla go itse gore keng se se go ruletsang go lora gagolo ga kana
nna se dumela gore wa se gone le ka metlha gore bana ba rona especially bana ba banyane bana gore ba itse gore le bone ba ka kgona se kgonang mo lefatsheng worldwide wala ke metshameko ka bo ke dithuto bjalo ka bo ke dikgwebo.
How do you temper people's expectations?
The challenge is to communicate. The challenge is to make people aware that this is a very long journey. We don't want to be remembered as people who are negligent, people who inherited a good fortune. So we must take decisions that will ensure that future generations are able to sustain themselves in a continually complex world.
The Bafokeng recognize that money and billions alone don't define the wealth of who we are. The true value of who we are lies in our people and the investments we make in them. To this end, the Royal Bafokeng Institute was started with a mandate to elevate the standard of education from the cradle to the grave. The RBI uses this school to foster excellence in education throughout the territory.
It's not just a school where you learn and pass your matric, but it's a school that grooms you, that develops you as a person wholly.
They teach us a way of thinking, not just cramming everything and just putting it in your head. They teach us how to think.
Coming to Lebone, you find this warm environment and people with an ambience of excellence and everything like that.
We have interaction with other schools so that we try to build the gap between underprivileged schools and our schools by building a relationship with them, and as well as teachers from here actually workshop with the teachers from other schools.
One of the school's innovative approaches is to have 2 teachers in each primary school class, one who specializes in Setswana and the other in English. This is so young children get to learn and think in their mother tongue, as well as being exposed to another language from very early on.
6 times.
Why can we not place a center of excellence that will begin to lift what people perceive as rural into a space of saying this is a truly African space?
Would you place the school for us in the right context and relevance to the Bafokeng people?
We're a school that is selective, and so we're selecting top students. Anyone who has the greatest potential can be at the school. 80% of our learners will be on a bursary scheme. The school is also about the teachers who come to the space who are able to be a resource to the 60 other schools that are on Bafokeng land. A good school is a school where you will collect and gather learners and children from all walks of life, so that even our Bafokeng learners will grow up in a space which reflects the world, which reflects the fact that there's difference. We want to teach tolerance.
Just up the road, on the outskirts of town, the new Lebone II buildings are nearing completion. These facilities will put the school on a par with any of South Africa's top schools in terms of facilities and quality of teachers, and with time, with the quality of learners as well.